Surgery is a chance to regain your functionality and your active life. Hi, my name is Dave Nazarian, and I'm a hip and knee replacement surgeon at Rothman Orthopaedics. Patients come to me for knee and hip problems, and every problem does not have a surgical solution. And so I tailor the treatment to the needs of the patient. Some patients may just need an injection. Some patients may need education. The word doctor actually means teacher. And so I spend a lot of my time and a lot of my day teaching my patients and treating them by teaching them about their condition so that they can become a better doctor for themselves. My physician statement is, I always want to treat people as people. And I want to treat people like I would want to be treated if I were in their position. If you're suffering from hip or knee arthritis or pain in those joints, I'd be honored to be your physician. To book an appointment with me, Dr. David Nazarian, please visit rothmanortho.com.